Hi there, IDM. This is Mr. Reimer again. I'm posting this video as a little bit of an addendum or additional information for those of you who are getting to the point in your game where you're thinking about handing it in. I'm just going to open up a little project I was working on here with another student where we were trying to get four directional walk cycle animations going with this little Link character here, which actually is coming along pretty nicely. Still a few little kinks to work out, but works pretty nice. So what you want to do is when you're in your Scratch game, and this is based upon you having verified your email, which I show you how to do in the previous video. I want you to go up to this little orange button right here and click Share. And you should have a little green band across the top here and says your project is now shared. Now once you've shared your project, and you can navigate here a couple of different ways. So if you go to My Stuff, and then you just click on the actual name of the game you want to share, or the Scratch code you want to share, not the C inside, but the game itself. So this game has now been shared. So I can do two different things, and this is what I want you to do. I want you to click Add to Studio, and I'm going to create a studio for Grade 9 IDM Q4 or Grade 10 IDM Semester 2. And the other thing I'm going to want you to do is go Copy Link. This link right here. I want you to copy it. This link, you will go to your Google Classroom, and you will go to the project or the assignment for the game. You're going to go Add or Create in that little box that appears in the corner, and then you're going to click in the drop down the link option, and you're going to paste this link right here. So once again, that's you go to your game, you go down to Copy Link, and you paste it right here. I will also be adding all your games to the Scratch Classroom so that we can all play each other's games, but that's how you hand it in. So you copy the link, you hand it in. Remember, it's a live link, so if you keep working on it, it will just update. It's not going to give me an older version of what you're working on. So that's how you hand in your project.